I'm Vijay. Today I'm going to teach about the how to create WA. I have a three method to create WA, which is very simple and easier method. So please keep watching. Okay, I'm going to click Sketchup and choose template, fit and inches, rectangular, 30 feet by 20 feet. Okay, and again other rectangular. Okay, first method name is offset and push pull. Offset and push pull. So in this method we take a rectangular, make a rectangular and offset 10 inches, offset 10 inches, and take push pull large and so it is select and one click and it's upward and take put dimension 9 feet. Yeah, it is a first one method which name is offset and push pull. Next one, so also for next one take a rectangular. You can also take a circular, just time take a rectangular. Okay, other and erase. Second method name is extrude with flow me. Yes, in this method we use the flow me tool, 9 feet height, 10 inches thickness. Oh, sorry, 10 inches. Okay, first select the area, third window, tools, go tools, and here flow me and click OK. Create a wall in easy way. And third method, push pull with new face model. Push pull with new face model. In this method, we take a picture, PDF or JP, JPJ and import. In this method, import a plan view of picture. Just like it. Image and types of image, and I, I put here. Okay, and it is not in proper scale. So first of all, we change its scale in this Sketchup scale. Check. Here we now 3 feet door. We now dimension 3 feet door, but it is near, so although we change its scale into according to the Sketchup 1:1 scale. 3 feet. Do you want to resize the model as 3 feet as change? In this way, again we draw 9 feet. Okay, and click to sample and you increase the Y, and here a joint. So we click the control. So we click the left click in mouse and control, and again push, again pull, again pull. Okay, turn figure and click here to pull, and at the joint click right and control, and again increase. In this way you, and also here need click right and control and pull. Also here same way can do it. and easily here style according to drawing and window and door you can put after it draw or wall. So in this way you can make the wall or create the wall. Thank you for watching video.